everyone, so today I'll be showing you how I make my burrito bowl. I choose to make mine vegetarian, but you can add meat if you'd like, and this is a cheap and easy alternative to Chipotle. So you'll start by measuring 1 cup of water, and then you'll measure a cup of rice. You're going to cook this on low heat for about 15 minutes. Next, I rinse my black beans and I add this to the rice. Then I microwave my rice and beans for 30 seconds. Next, I add about 2 tablespoons of pico de gallo. And I add in 3 tablespoons of guacamole salsa. Next, I add in a dollop of sour cream. So I hope you guys like this recipe. Like I said, it's a cheap and easy alternative to Chipotle or Qdoba. Bye guys!